The JBL 8124 in-ceiling speakers are designed to provide high-quality audio in commercial settings, ensuring clear and full-range sound reproduction. These speakers are engineered for efficiency, utilizing high-sensitivity drivers to achieve impressive sound levels with minimal power consumption. Featuring a sleek, contemporary grille design, the JBL 8124 seamlessly integrates into any environment, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional performance. Their straightforward installation process, thanks to the dog ear mounting system, makes them an excellent choice for professional and DIY installers alike. With a wide frequency range from 60 Hz to 18 kHz and a conical coverage of 130 degrees, these speakers deliver consistent sound coverage. The JBL 8124 in-ceiling speakers are a versatile and elegant solution for those seeking effective commercial audio without the need for additional backcan installation.